SQLAlchemy func.count a boolean column. How can I count easily the number of rows where a particular column is true and the number where it is false? I can't, or can I? Run the query with count because I'm embedding this count into having clause, like. But with the above way, the function counts every line on both sides of the inequality. I tried something like this. But I get an error. Function of boolean, integer, does not exist. Seems it doesn't exist in postgresql. How can I count easily the number of rows where column is true and false?
Using aggregate functions in a having clause is very much legal, since having eliminates group rows. Conditional counting can be achieved either by using the property that nulls don't count. Count expression, number of input rows for which the value of expression is not null. Or if using postgresql 9.4 or later, with the aggregate filter clause. You could also use a sum of ones and zeros. postgresql equals 9.4 and SQLAlchemy equals 1.0.0. Using a filtered aggregate function. Older postgresql and or SQLAlchemy. The SQL analog for if is either case expression or in this case null if function. Both of them can be used together with the fact that nulls don't count. Or using null if can be a bit confusing as the condition is what you don't want to count. You could devise an expression that would make the condition more natural, but that's left for the reader. These two are more portable solutions, but on the other hand the filter clause is standard, though not widely available.
You can use this query, and the same column will be for false value, but with false in condition. Or, you can use window function. The result will contain two rows, if there are only two possible values in question.accepted, where the first column is the number of values, and the second is the values of accepted column.
Most flavors of SQL store booleans as one-bit integers, and calling sum on them properly gives you the number of positive booleans/true rows. In your case, you can simply do. If your SQL engine returns a sum of booleans as a boolean, not sure there is any, you can use expression function cast to force it into an integer instead of using func.count case question.accepted, 1. Finally, if you want the sum as an integer on the Python side, the expression function type _coerce does the trick.
Yes.